Hi, I'm Mr. Boucher. I'm the masonry teacher here at Whittier Tech. The students that come into my program will learn a lot of the traditional masonry, like brickwork, like this brick corner that you see in front of me. When they get more advanced projects, they'll start doing brick and block work, like you see over there, the students are starting to work on. In addition, students also learn concrete work, from building the forms, pouring the concrete, and the finish work like troweling and screeding. Students also learn to work on projects around the school, like the new sign when you come into the school, and the baseball field dugouts. Students also learn more modern masonry techniques like pavers that are used for walkways and patios. Students will also learn tile work like you see in that wall back there. Students that are really artistic and they have time can build nice custom projects depending on what it is they like. Thank you for stopping by Masonry.